Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Yes, it's been a week. I'm very busy again, finally. I'm gonna be uploading videos every Friday, so now you know. Today is gonna be about doing this pitch effect with a delay, with H delay. And you can do this with any sound. It's actually very nice with lead sounds too, snares, but today it was just the kick. So let's see what I've done here. First, I draw this automation for the feedback because it has to be at 100% for the trick to work. If I don't do this, it will go into like a feedback loop. It's very annoying and unpleasant, so I will recommend you to do this as a first move. Then I automate the mix because over time it loses volume, and I also automate the output by, I think it was 9 dBs. Yes. Then I do the pitch effect, which is automating this one down because it has to go faster and faster, so less time in between delays. And then I automate the low pass and high pass filter because they also help somehow to maintain that definition and it doesn't lose sound quality. For whatever the reason, because they are emulating some tape, I'm guessing, old tape or whatever. When you do just a tiny bit of high pass and low pass, it helps with the quality of the sound. Let's listen again. Very nice. I think it's a very cool trick to know. What I did automate was mix, output, filters, feedback, and then the delay down, so it goes faster and faster over time. It takes a while to set it up. That's why I did set it up before starting the video. But once you get your head around it, it's actually a very simple trick, and you can do it, like I said, with anything. Leads and snares are also very cool to do this trick with. So this is it for today. I hope you like it. I hope to see you on the next one, and I will see you next Friday. Ciao.